black setup looks way better. Put that.
That thing says water. Boy, ¿cómo se llama? Moreno.
Oh, that's what he said? Damn, bro, you could low key, you could see a lot of these fireworks out here, like big ass fireworks. I think that man, that's a fire hazard.
That's fucking badass.
Damn, there's some nigga throwing shit from down the street. Fuck, that was close.
Te quiere tronar el güey.
Nigga, look, I swear, like fucking here, fucking from down the street. Yeah, I'm gonna show you again right now. That's the second time it happened. Like, oh, I already see it. I already see the smoke. Look, look, look. Oh, damn right.
Está trayendo premio. Yo, yo, yo.
Yo,
Oh, no, this light didn't turn on no more. Oh, shit, it's going already.
damn, bro. Low key, a lot of these fireworks out here, like big ass fireworks. Man, that's a fire hazard.
All right, we're live already.
Already.
All right. Yo, what's up, my peoples? Your boy JB back at it again. It is 9/16/2020, 1:07 a.m. Right here, my boy Rafa, all the way from Mexico City, with my boy right here, Luis, all the way from Dallas, Texas. All right, so I'm about to get this little session going. Whoa, what happened to my screen? Did I accidentally close it out? Damn. I just closed out my charge, people. Give me a quick second. Already. So, hopping. Alright. We are trading USD and gold tonight, along with USD Chef. And are you trading any other pairings? You looking at any other?
You talking to me?
Yeah, you looking at any other pair?
I was looking at GJ and GU. Those are the pairs I trade.
You wanna go over them?
Let me see if I could actually screen share. You want me to? Okay, I can mark them up with you right now too.
All right, I'm gonna switch it over to you.
All right, excuse me, guys. It's La Independencia de Mexico. So if y'all hear like a lot of it's fireworks. It's not letting me away.
Yeah, all right, there it goes.
Hey, okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. All right, it's so when I'm looking on GU, it was this range that we were in. Right here. We managed to get out. But me, honestly, from the daily, it's been bouncing off of the 2800. So it's been gaining good support around the 2800. So I want this whole to pull back a little bit more, which I'm expecting at 2 a.m. to go up a little bit more, knowing GU, especially because we got this. So we got liquidity up here. So what I think is the drop from here to here. Damn, now I think that was gunshots. I think this will go up a little bit more, and then I probably would want to short it like right here. You know. Right there. Do that. I think as far as right now, I'm waiting for one more bullish candle to go up, at least in the 30 pips, 30, 35. And then we could see wait for it to go down. That's for GU. You know.
Little bounce right there from that price action. Pretty much on the trend that it's on right now. It looks like it's hitting a higher high trend.
So someone like right here. Right there. Okay. Then as far as GGM, we got a strong support right here that we're not breaking at all. But we also have this liquidity up here. So we've just been in the range for these past few days. Just been stuck right here. So on this one, I'm gonna just wait. Same thing. I'm expecting for this just to shoot up real quick. Oh, damn, that's 100 pips. Damn. Honestly, I'm gonna stay away from GJ. It's just in the range. And damn, just from here to here is 50 pips. And then from here to the top is like 85. Yeah, right now I'm gonna stay away because it's in the range. I still don't know what. And then last but not least, EU. CEU, same thing, bro. That hoe's been in it's in a weekly doji. So that one is because, it's been here for a good minute, all this. So that's why I'm not even trading EU. As far as EU, me personally, I don't know where this bitch is going to go. You know, I was thinking this hoe was going to go down. And I still think it's going to go down. I just don't see why it doesn't fucking tank. And it's been, rejected off the 1900 right here. Then it touched it yesterday. And then if we look on the 4-hour, but it's just too choppy from your way. It's just been in that fucking zone. It's been bouncing off of 19 and 18, for the longest. But I honestly think this hoe's gonna drop, And if we manage to drop, then this hoe's gonna drop heavy. First off, this is a very strong zone, But if we manage to actually break down here, actually break 17, then yeah, we're gonna see a nice little drop. But for right now, bro, EU, that's choppy, and same thing would be for DXY. It's just in the same fucking area way. I just don't know as far as EU and GU. You know what I'm saying? And I mean, those are the only pairs I trade. Just that one. Oh, and then EJ. I think EJ is gonna go lower. That's why I still think EU is gonna go down. But the Euro's just been fucking stupid. But that's it.
All right. I'm gonna share real quick, and then if Luis wants to do some analysis, he's gonna share next. Uh, okay, so I'm gonna go over um, Euro USD, and then I'm gonna go over the dollar. Euro USD first. We're gonna go ahead and do it as quick as we can do it. And we're gonna start off on the daily, and we're gonna erase everything for a quick second. All right. So it has been going here, making these higher highs, but every single peak was divergent AF, bro. Like, damn, that shit looks sexy. Like, damn, like, bro, that looks sexy. One, two, three, four divergent peaks, man. Every single one could. And where's the fifth one now? Where's the fifth peak? Exactly where it needs to be, man. Making, oh, it's already there. What? Making the little pyramid. The pyramid. So it ends up making like this little pyramid. It's not always as sexy like this, right? This one's all crooked over here, but it ends up making that pyramid. And that pyramid gets built throughout these divergent peaks. And these divergent peaks right here on the RSI. So if you were to draw a trend line right here on the RSI, this touch right here is this peak right here on this pyramid. These are huge nuggets, man. Huge nuggets. And right there on that peak, that's where it pops off. This was already an entry, right? For the bigger swing, if you were just catching this channel here, then you would have just been raping that up and down. But me personally, I was waiting for that to break and go all the way to the bigger um, take profits that I have, one and two. So bam, this was the last one. Right now we have this entry right here at this fifth peak on the RSI, and the entry was yesterday. Um, I'll show you the DXY right now, but the reason why we entered was the RSI was showing some badass divergence yesterday, along with DXY. DXY had the same divergence, uh, right on point. So then this one had broken out, and it was like, oh, I broke out. I'm gonna be a buy, but I like now, nah, this is a fake out because on the DXY, I'll show you right now. On the DXY, it had not broken yet. So right here on Euro USD, it showed like it had broken the trend and it was gonna go up, but the DXY was right on the trend line. It was like right there. So I was like, man, unless DXY breaks through, this is a fake out because DXY is the boss. So unless DXY broke through, Euro USD was being a fake out. And it was being a fake out. DXY showed a badass freaking divergence, showing the real move, just like right here, showing the real move on that divergence, and we were able to catch that sell. Boom. So let me see. Uh, Telegram. All right, so check this out. Check this out. Euro USD. Damn, right there. Oh shit. Okay, so right here, 116. I can't even see the price on it. But you see, that's where we caught it, like right on the divergent peak that I'm showing you right now, right on there. So right here, boom, the drop. And now we were waiting for a retrace. Where is it gonna retrace to? I had this baby blue, that's the negative or the 38.2 Fibonacci level. So I was thinking we could touch that fib level. And that's the 10 pip drawdown that I told you that I was already selling, but we're looking at a possible 10 pip drawdown. So we just drew down like 5 pips, not even 5 pips on this one, like around 3 pips. And then we're, doing pretty all right now. Thinking that we are gonna do the continuation, and this is the next zone here. Boom. So we already went back in. This is the next zone here. This entry will get broken even once we touch this zone here. And from this zone, we could either bounce, whatnot. If it goes back up, this is already in profit. And if it goes back up, this will get broken even. Right now, I'm expecting this to break. If we break the 1.18232, then we will see the next target, which is around 1.17650 or so. So around this baby blue area, that would be the next target. Come on. Right here, 100 pips. So 50 pips, 100 pips. If we break through there, we are going for the higher time frames. The freaking targets I've been wanting to catch. So if we break through there, we're going easily 200 pip zone. And with the stimulus that, okay, so they just announced um, a bipartisan bill that got announced this morning. All right. So this bipartisan bill means that the Democrats had put a bill out, and the Republicans were like, "Fuck that!" Right? No. So then the Republicans put a bill out, and the Democrats were like, "Ha, yeah. Well, you didn't want mine, so fuck yours, right?" So then they try to put this. They call it the skinny bill. I'm not sure if that's really what it was called. Yeah, it was skinny bill. So the skinny bill was like, that's what it was, skinny. It had all the meat, all the good stuff cut out of it. It didn't have none of the good stuff. They try to like, well, we'll give you this and we'll give you this, but all the good stuff like the stimulus and the PPP, the payment protection program for all these
PPP.
businesses, small businesses, to stay afloat, it wasn't on there on the skinny bill or whatever. So a lot of good stuff wasn't on the skinny bill. So they were like, yeah, that's not gonna work out. The market was like, "Eh." So now the Democrats and the Republicans, they didn't have anything to do with this new bill that just got like announced. This new bill was through a third party, and they, showed this bill. Political just announced it, so then they questioned Nancy Pelosi and some other people about it, but mainly Nancy Pelosi because they're the one. They were like, if Nancy says no, then we're still kind of like, what the fuck. But Nancy showed some really good interest in it, and everybody's happy, bro, because it's a really good freaking bill. It has everything we need, everything the market needs to stay afloat till after the election, which is what I've been telling everybody. They're not gonna let the market crash right before the election. They're not. It's not gonna happen. So they're gonna keep it afloat, and by keeping it afloat, stimulus checks. So stimulus checks, guys. If you haven't heard it, you're getting stimulus checks probably by October 15th or so, and the bill will get announced in the next 2 to 3 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks, guys. So by the end of the month, the bill should be passed, and in the next 4 weeks, we should be getting checks. So that's crazy. What is that gonna do to the market? If I'm talking about in the next 2 weeks, then in the next freaking month, man, that means let's count the days on the daily time frame. Let's hide all the drawings. That means 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. That's 1 week pretty much, guys. Right here. We'll close out the week. And then next week, boom, boom. All right, so we're around here for the next week. We're around the take profit one, the 200 pip zone. And then what happens? Bam, we're gonna break through. Everything's gonna seem like everything's good. We're gonna come and close out all of this price action that's right here, all of this money. We're gonna come and close all of that money, and then we're gonna freaking then the real crash is gonna come, and we're gonna freaking go all the way back up. We're gonna break that weekly trend line, and we're gonna catch that ride all the way up, like seen here. So we'll see how low can we go on the way down. One, take profit. Two, take profit. Three, take profit. Dangerous. And then after that, we'll go back up and we'll break through this weekly trend line so that we can do a huge freaking rally, man. Just like right here. So check this out. What happened whenever it broke that weekly trend line the last time? Did I show you this last time?
Okay.
So it broke the weekly trend line,
Hmm.
retested, and then it just boom, right? One, two, three. Damn. So right here, once it breaks that weekly trend, quick little retest. One, two, three. Higher high, ultimately. Damn.
I do see 125 being a good possible target rate.
125, yeah, that's in
Yeah.
the middle. That's for sure. But that is Euro USD, DXY as well. Let me show you something real lit on DXY, man. All right. Oh, shit. DXY. Okay, so DXY, this is on the weekly time frame. It has been bouncing off of this trend since 2011. 2011, October. 2014 was the second hit. 2017 was the third hit. And right now in 2020 is the fourth hit on that weekly trend line that keeps bouncing the dollar up. So let me zoom back out again. So from the top, since the creation, it's been making lower lows every about 10 years or whatnot. So that trend line from the top has not been hit yet. Has not been hit. For it to go all the way up there, it's a little crazy. I don't think we're gonna make it, but who the heck knows what's gonna happen? All I know is it has not been touched for a third time yet. And all I know right now on the dollar that I think the dollar is gonna crash in the longer term. But right now it's time to buy the dollar because they're not gonna let it fall. They're not gonna let it break this since 2011. Is that what I said? 2011 was the first touch. Damn. Okay, so 2011. Come on, guys. This trend has been going on for around freaking 9, 10 years because the price action was there in 2010 as well. So this price, since the trend started there bouncing up, has been a 10-year bull run. They're not gonna let it fall right before the election. But that 10-year bull run has got to come to an end. All investors know that it's usually a 10-year cycle for the market to crash and get get back on track or whatnot. So are we there? I think so. Especially, come on, Corona really? That Corona just pushed everything down, all the dominoes that were already in place, but they are not gonna let it fall right before the elections. They're not gonna do it. So expect a pump. Let's see how high they can pump it, so that it is ready to go by uh, by the beginning of the year, pretty much to fall back down. So I think we'll pump it up to this zone before we crash, like drawn here. But then again, all of these are definitely possibilities. One possibility, two possibility, three possibility, and four. That would be crazy if we go and make that third touch. That makes no damn sense. That's a year, so it makes no damn sense. But then again, the market sometimes does not make sense. So right now we are going on that bull run up. We're gonna zoom it in to the 4 hours. On this 4 hours, I'm gonna bring the drawings back on. Oh, what? All right. So on this 4 hours, we have been going on this channel. Beautiful divergent peaks right there, showing the freaking push about to come back up on the daily and 4 hours. And then we finally were able to break through. So whenever we broke through, came and retested. We got this entry yesterday. Bam! We have pushed up from there. We're grinding here. We're grinding. What is that red line? It is a major trend that was started from the top. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're on the sixth grind right there. Well, sixth touch on this grind. That's what I meant to say. So as soon as we break through that, you already know that we're gonna rally all the way to touch this blue line, whether it's around here, whether it's around here, wherever it touches it, it's gonna go up and touch it. So it's gonna do a major, nice little bull run there. And I say major because this move to this to here, that'll give you the 200 pips that we're looking for on Euro USD for sure. So that's what we're waiting on the dollar DXY, waiting on the break of that. And if we zoom it in just a little bit more to 15s, let me change my mic just in we're sounding crazy on here. All right, so right here, zooming it in. This is the entry that we just got right now, the re-entry that we just got. Beautiful freaking divergence right there on the 15 minutes. All right. So that was like, let's go in. So on Euro USD, I went in when I saw the divergence on here, which is, I told y'all that it had broken out on Euro USD when I just showed y'all that it broke out of the trend line. And I was like, let me check out DXY. And DXY was making a beautiful divergence to go back up. So I was like, yeah, Euro USD is gonna come back in the seller's area. I don't trust it. So instead of buying like most people probably did, I sold Euro USD, and bam, there you have it. We have been going for a couple hours since yesterday, and we're holding. We're holding. What price are we holding right now? The very, very freaking important price where it broke out of. That's what we're holding. So, oh shit. So it broke out of that price action right there. It has to come and retouch the breakout, right? So where is the breakout? Right here to the end of that wick, to right there. So that area is the breakout area where it needed to come and it has not broken below that zone. That's very freaking good. It tells me that we got some very good opportunity that this freaking DXY decides to come back down here. Boom, Fibonacci slash breakout zone. And if it comes back down here, it would do like a 1, 2, 3, and then go up. So if it does that, then that'll give us the 10 pip drawdown that we are looking to possibly have, if anything, on each pair. We have a 30 pip stop loss, but the 10 pip to 15 pip drawdown is if this comes down here. So that is the other calculation if it does not hold right on this price. We'll see what happens right here. See, right here. And if it doesn't hold right here, we'll come down here.
The minutes.
Ooh, here's the chef. Gold. Uh, USD. The index on the 30. But we'll see. The index on the 30 doesn't look too sexy. Right there. Ooh. So we'll see. It just has to hold. Um, Luis made a really good point earlier that the market has been doing its move the last couple of days, 6 a.m. So it changes, but the last couple of days it's been 6 a.m. So we're gonna see what happens. We're not gonna be live till 6 a.m., but we'll see what happens. I don't know. You want to share real quick, bro?
I'm good.
Mhm. Well, shit, that's pretty much it. What you think, Rafa?
Shit. Well, yeah. I mean, I agree with Luis.
6 a.m.
Yeah, it's like right before London, New York Open.
Mm,
I mean, 6 a.m. is like the fake out, and then and as soon as New York opens, that's the direction. You know,
7 a.m.
yeah, just wait for like New York to open. But but yeah, I mean, I want GU to go up to sell it, so that means DXY go down. But it's still too early for me. I like to wait at least till 3 a.m.
Yeah, yeah, it is hella early.
Yeah, we're still early.
Well, shit, fuck it. We're gonna end the live, and we'll just keep it going right here. If anybody's watching, hope you caught some nuggets. Put it in the comments. Let me know. So we can keep doing these videos. Make sure that at least somebody's getting the knowledge out there.
Hey,
But
hey, and there's gonna be a regular thing now, bro.
heck yeah, at least a couple of these webbies a week. Free webby because shit, we do got paying customers, subscribers. If you're interested in the subscription, inbox, let me know. But yeah, man, definitely love giving out some free nuggets. So let me know if y'all catching them. And that's gonna be lit, man. Later on, we got a couple people on here actually live watching and everybody trading, catching replay. Lit. But till next time, we out.